Welcome to this video. In this video, you're going to learn how to increase your CTR, that is your site CTR on Google search result page. So in this video, you're also going to learn the causes of poor CTR and how to resolve them. For example, look at this site. This site is having a very good CTR, 12.9, which is actually good. Very good CTR. Now, let me show you a site that has poor CTR. So I'll be using that to show you an example or to explain how to improve your site's CTR. You can see this site is having 0.7% CTR. Very, very poor. I can also see that this site has lost ranking. It was a lost ranking. This is a ChatGPT, that is AI generated content site. When I started it, I was posting a lot of AI content in it. It started doing well, and all of a sudden, you can see it was doing well. Then all of a sudden, it tanked. That is, it went down. And since then, I've not worked on it. So let's go into the topic, how to improve or the causes of poor CTR on your site. Number one causes of poor CTR on your site is position of your keywords. For example, you can see this CTR. This is position of this is 87. Let me on CTR. You can see the position of this keyword is 87.2. You can see the position of this keyword is 87.2. So it is on the 8th page, or let's say 9th page of Google search result page. So which user will scroll or click on next page until you get to the 9th page? That really happens. Even page 2, people find it difficult to scroll to or to go to page 2 of Google. How much more page 9 of Google search result pages? Because that's why this is having poor CTR. So the position of your site or the ranking of your site will affect the CTR. So the first thing you need to do is to check the position of your site. If your site is on the 9th position on Google, of course, you're going to experience poor CTR. It is on the 5th, it will do better. So check the position of website to increase the CTR. So what you need to do to increase the CTR of a website is to increase the ranking, is to increase the position, is to increase the ranking of your website. And how can you do that? You can do that by optimizing your content. It's not yet well optimized, and also building backlinks to your site. Building backlinks to your site. This will help to increase the position of your website. Then the second causes of poor CTR on your site is poor title. Poor title. If you're having a poor title for your site or for your blog post, this will definitely result to poor CTR. If you have a very poor title for your site, let's say your site is in position 2nd or 3rd position, and you're having a poor title, it affects it. For example, look at these 3 titles: how to increase CTR, effective ways to increase CTR, 10 effective ways to increase CTR. If you were to be a user, which of these titles, if you see on Google search results, that you will likely click on? Of course, it's going to be C, 10 effective ways to increase CTR. This is more attractive to click because of this word, effective. Then 10, adding numbers to the title of your blog post makes it more clickable. That is, when users see it, people like clicking what has number. 5 ways to make money online will get more clicks than how to make money online. Or you can even with this, how to increase CTR. You can also make it better by adding numbers, like how to increase CTR, then semicolon or colon, 4 effective ways you need to use or you need to know. This will also increase the CTR of your site. Then the third thing you need to know about increasing CTR or causes of CTR is your meta description. Your meta description should attract curiosity. Because when they read your meta description on Google, it will arouse curiosity in them to know what your content or that site wants to pass, or the message the site wants to pass. For example, look at this. Let's say this is my mental description of this topic, 10 effective ways to increase CTR. Then I have this, getting high CTR is important for your site growth. In order to increase your CTR, you must make sure you properly, then ... Then this will arouse curiosity in the user to make sure you properly do what? What is he talking about? What is he trying to say? And because of that, they will most likely click on the results, to see what you didn't put on your mental description. Even though Google sometimes changes the mental description of your site, it is also good to make sure you write your mental description in a way that will arouse curiosity of the user. Lastly, which is number 4, which I consider the most important of all this, because a few months ago, I worked with a client which is experiencing low CTR. I did all this, especially with the title. I noticed that the title is not optimized. It is not well descriptive. So I made the title descriptive and catchy. But after doing that, the site continued to have 4 CTR, and I was frustrated. I was frustrated about this. You know, when you work with a client and you didn't get the desired result which you expected to get, that may make you feel as if you don't know your work or you don't know what you are doing. So after working, I didn't get the result, but I kept on thinking, what could result to this poor CTR? We will optimize the title, yet the CTR is still the same. It was having a CTR of 0.4%, very low. So this is what I later discovered, that this is the cause. This is the cause. Search intent. What is the reason why a user is searching on Google? The reason behind it. There's some keywords that will naturally get poor CTR. Whether you like it or not, it will get poor CTR. For example, look at this. Card colors. So name search for card colors on Google. When you search for card colors on Google, this is what you're going to see. And you see this is having 14,800 volume. That's 800 searches per month. A normal user will see this and quickly write on this, hoping that we get a lot of traffic. Even the first result on this, on Google result page, we have poor CTR, because that is the nature of these keywords. A user is searching for card colors. What does he expect to see? Images. He wants to see images. And most likely, he's going to click on these images he or she sees here. So what happened? The first position on this result will have poor CTR, and it goes down the page, So once a user comes to the page, you click on this, you can see this is another one site, RP card sites. If you click on this, the same thing. So with this type of keyword, what a user should do, or a site owner should do, is to have more of images on the site. Once you discover your search intent on how it looks on Google, that will give you an insight on what to do to increase it, take advantage of what you see. Anyone that owns a cart niche that is targeting cart colors should have lot of images on that site, on that post, and also try and rank the image on the post. So let's say I'm a user, I didn't click any of this, and let me go down and see if there's anyone I can click. Look at this, is cart identification. I'm a normal user, I may most likely not click on this. Why? Because it's not descriptive enough. It is not descriptive enough, and it does not have the keyword I'm actually searching for. So if you scroll down, if you take a look at all the sites ranking on Google first page, this is the site which I think has the best title for this keyword. You can see it has numbers, 20 most popular card colors and pattern. You can see it. With this type of title, it is clickable and it is catchy, and also you can see images attached to the search results. So this particular post has a lot of images to it. That is why it appears. And look at the meta description too. You can see the meta description is having what a user wants to see. So with time, I won't be surprised if this particular page or post comes first on this particular keyword. So naturally, this particular keyword, or anyone that wrote on this particular keyword, will experience poor CTR because of the nature of the keyword. So I hope you've learned something new in this video, and this video has been able to solve your problem of poor CTR and what to do if you're having poor CTR. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video, and if you have any question, comment below and I'll answer every of your questions. And if you need my link building services, check the description of this video. You will see a link to my link building services. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.